Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. People seem to always ask in the groups, in the forums, how fast can I get with layer by layer, or if I'm doing 2-look OLL, 2-look PLL, any of that stuff. We're going to go through all of that right now, and we're going to start with doing a layer by layer method. I'm going to do the cross, corners, edges, corner of the top layer, edges of the top layer, orienting, and then permuting. So I'm using also a very budget puzzle. This is the Black Mamba. It's only about $6.99 without any discounts, but you can save at checkout with discount code SCR at SpeedCube Shop. Here we go. So I'm going to do cross and bottom also because you can still have good technique even if you're doing layer by layer. Okay. Cross is done. 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners, 4 corners. First layer edge, next edge, and the next edge. Then corners oriented, or edges oriented, corners permuted, edges. Under 30 seconds. Okay, that was a pretty sloppy solve too. Let's do F2L. That's something that should be intuitive. You don't need to learn really any algorithms for it, just how to set pieces up and how to insert them, which is something that with a few months of practice, you'll definitely get faster than if you do layer by layer. So let's plan out the cross. Okay, first F2L pair, second F2L pair, third F2L pair, fourth F2L pair. Corners oriented, or now corners are. And this is 2-look OLL, 2-look PLL. That was almost the same last layer. That's under 20 seconds with 2-look OLL, 2-look PLL. Okay, now let's do 2-look OLL, but 1-look PLL. That's what most people learn first. So let's plan out the cross. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. Corners, edges oriented, then corners, G-perm. 17 seconds. Okay, let's do 1-look OLL. Remember, I'm using a very budget puzzle. No magnets. Let's plan out the cross. Okay, cross is done. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. OLL, PLL. Got to do the final U move. Still with the +2. It's still under that. But you see, very straightforward. Nothing super crazy. You just got to practice and be efficient. Now, how do you get faster than this? That's a good question, you may ask. Well, I did a lot of stuff a lot of the top solvers would do. Some years back, I did some solves. They were averaging around 13. I had Felix Zemdeg's look over them and analyze them. And he pointed out a few things, a few algorithms I could execute differently, a few pairs he would do differently. But there was quite often Felix Zemdeg said, you actually did what I would do. And the difference is recognition, execution. So if you saw any pauses between steps, or if you see something and being able to execute it much more quickly than how I'm going to execute it, that's the big difference. There's not too much more efficient with CFOP than what I just did right now. That's where speed comes in. But you can be under 15 seconds without really turning that fast at all. I'd love to see you try this out as well. Do a layer by layer and then do F2L with 2-look OLL and PLL, then do F2L with 2-look OLL, 1-look PLL, and then do F2L with 1-look OLL and 1-look PLL and see what your times are. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.